up, everybody? This is my 2017 Jeep Wrangler JKU. I got a 4-inch zone lift on it. We upgraded to the Falcon shocks. You know, I just got the inner fender flares back from powder coat, so I haven't put those on yet. But I got R-Tech for the front and back. Got a Duraflex Viper Edition hood, color match. Double 50-inch light bars, smaller positive bar. Got this monster right here. That's the Hook Off-Road Mad Max Edition front grill / bumper. Got the R-Tech Industries fender flares. We also got the Royal Hook shackles and fair lead. I don't have a winch yet, guys. I don't off-road. I don't plan on off-roading, so that's not a necessity for me. Got the best tops on top. Guys, that thing is awesome, man. If you ain't got one, get one. Also Royal Hooks handles. I got the Iron Cross step bars. These things are pretty neat. Sorry guys, it's a windy day out here. So in the back we continue with the Royal Hooks door handle. Check out Royal Hook, guys. Stuff is pretty hot. The Royal Hook door hinges. Again, we got the shackles in the back, Royal Hooks. Got that tow hook. This thing is neat, man. It's huge. My exhaust, I got the MagnaFlow, what is it called, catback. And guys, we got the Falcon shocks. Alright guys, for the wheels, I am running 40s. The tires are 40 by 1550 R24. Rims are 24 by 14 XF 203. Guys, I'm on stock axles. I did re-gear. Again, guys, I don't off-road, so this probably would not be possible if I did. Honestly, guys, it rides normal to me. It rides just. I had 37s on here before. I mean, it honestly rides the same. I did upgrade the brakes. I have the Power Stop I believe it's a Z36 Extreme Series. I'll take another video, guys, when I put those inner fender flares on. They look pretty neat. They're powder coated black. Oh, don't let me forget, the back bumper is the Smittybilt XRC. To me, the neat thing is if you ever want to add the spare wheel, this comes off, and then the mount goes right there. There's a hole there for it. Alright guys, well sorry if I forgot anything. I'll go over the interior in another video. If you like what you see, man, please subscribe, like, follow me on this build.